Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about Claude's memory. So Claude's memory feature is like a personal brain that stores details about you so you don't have to repeat yourself in every new chat. So first let's understand what is Claude's memory. So normally every time you start a new chat with an AI, it's like meeting a stranger. It has no idea who you are or what you like. Memory changes that. It allows Claude to remember important facts about you, like your job, your writing style, or your favorite tools across all your different conversations. So let us see how you can generate memory from chat history. So this is a particular setting that you will need to enable in your Claude. So to do that, simply navigate to the bottom left side of your profile picture or your account, then click on to the same. From here, simply choose settings, or alternatively, you can press Ctrl and the comma button. Now from here, you can see that there are different tabs like General, Account, Privacy, Billing, Capabilities, and Connectors, and so on. So you will need to click onto this Capabilities option, and from here, the first option that you will see is Memory. So from here, you can see the first option, that is Generate Memory from Chat History, which will basically allow Claude to remember relevant context from chats. Memory includes your entire chat history with Claude. So in order to enable the memory, you will simply need to enable this toggle, and from here you can see that what does Claude know about you. Not much yet. After more chats, you will see what Claude knows about you here. So that's how easily you can enable the memory and the generate memory from chat history simply using these particular easy configuration. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.